guys, good day. And we have here a smartwatch with which is the problem is it doesn't turn on because in my assessment the power button is not functioning well. So our job now is to repair and replace the buttons and I have bought some buttons online for the specific watch that we have. Please enjoy the video. Thank you. The next thing we want to do is separate the board from the LCD. So that is what we are going to do now. Now, as you can see, the LCD is already removed, and we will proceed to the next procedure. That is to uh, remove the battery and remove the button. Now, the next thing is to remove the solder of the button. On this job, we will use our soldering iron with the smallest tip we have. After removing all the buttons, we will prepare the board. We are having problem with our small tip, so we've decided to replace it with a larger tip, so that we can make our job more easier. See, that's the difference between a large tip and a small tip. Now, it is time to solder our new button to the board.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head because there are so many things that I left unsaid.
Now that we have attached our new buttons, it's time to reassemble the whole watch and test our efforts. Now that reassembly is done, now we will test if the push button is working by making a long press on the buttons. Okay, the buttons worked out, and our job now is successful. Thank you for watching.